gas mowers are dying. These 5 electric mowers of 2026? Silent, powerful, and one of them is a total shocker. Stay till the end, you'll thank me. All by links below. Number 1. Ryobi 40 VHP 21-inch lawn mower. When we compared features to price, Ryobi's 40 VHP 21-inch is a versatile choice for the money you spend. It's well built, offers good cut quality, and is simple to use. Of all the self-propelled mowers we tested recently, this seemed to roll smoothest over the lawn, and with even weight distribution from front to back, it didn't jostle around as we mowed our lawns. It also gave us some nice, straight lines as we worked across our test area. Overall, it made for a very pleasant mowing experience. We also appreciated the simplicity of switching between mowing modes. There's no mulching plug to fool around with, so you can easily switch between bagging and mulching modes by turning a switch at the back of the mower body that moves a gate. That's one less mower part to keep track of. The mower deck also has a provision for installing a side discharge chute, completing the bag, mulch, and discharge trifecta. In our tests for mowing performance, we found the Ryobi to be an adequate bagger, while the mulching mode was good, dispersing clippings evenly. This is aided in part by a cross-cut blade configuration that uses 2 crossed blades housed in the mowing deck. We also really like the automatic boost feature that increases power to adapt to tougher mowing conditions. This worked pretty well, but if you spot a patch of thick grass, you can manually engage it in advance with a turbo button. User controls are located centrally on the handle. There are 7 drive speed settings to choose from, along with a standard battery gauge and a blade life indicator that alerts you when the blade needs to be replaced. Another bonus is that this Ryobi mower comes with 2 6-amp-hour batteries that provide up to 75 minutes of mowing, depending on conditions. Given the high cost of a battery if you buy it on its own, about $220, this brings even more value to the table. Number 2. Ego Power Plus 30-inch self-propelled mower. This is Ego's newest and largest walk-behind mower yet. The mower offers the typical mulching, bagging, and side discharge options, but sitting beneath the wide plastic composite deck are 2 15.2-inch mower blades, oriented similar to what you'd find under a riding lawn mower, just smaller. Because it was early in the season and the grass had not grown tall yet, we opted to mow in mulching mode, and it delivered a clean cut without a clump of grass left behind. We did test out the bagging function, too, finding that the bag that comes with this mower is spacious and took longer to fill than expected. But can a mower this large save you time? With the Ego's cutting path being nearly 30% larger, the short answer is yes. We experimented by making 10 passes with a standard 21-inch walk-behind mower, and then remowed that same area with the Ego. It only needed 7 passes with the wider machine. How this translates to your own property depends on factors like how much hilly terrain you have or obstacles you might have to navigate around. Our experiment showed a savings of about 30% of mowing time/effort. That's a bonus in our book. Of course, with a mower this size, there are a few things to keep in mind. It's heavier than most walk-behind mowers, at over 100 pounds, even without the batteries. That made it cumbersome to turn. We also found that adjusting the self-propel speed, which can range between approximately 1 and 3 miles per hour, was difficult to do on the fly. The knob is small, located at the center of the handle, and fairly sensitive. Listing at $1,799, this Ego is expensive, to be sure, but less than a riding or zero-turn mower. And the time you save may well be worth the extra cost, helping you to complete the job of cutting a larger lawn, faster. Number 3. Ego Power Plus Select Cut. The Ego Power Plus 21-inch self-propelled cordless electric lawn mower is an easy pick for homeowners who want a powerful and hassle-free way to keep their yard in shape. Unlike older battery-powered mowers, which used to struggle with runtime or cutting power, this one delivers performance that rivals gas without the maintenance. It runs for up to an hour on a single charge, and the self-propelled drive system takes the effort out of mowing, especially when you're going over hills or uneven ground. One of its best features is its vertical storage design, which makes it much easier to tuck away in a garage or shed compared with bulkier gas models. It also comes with 3 interchangeable blades, so you can switch between mulching, bagging, or maximizing battery life. The adjustable speed control means you can mow at a comfortable pace, and the push-button start eliminates the frustration of yanking on a pull cord. While some users say the self-propelled system can take a little getting used to, it makes mowing less tiring, especially if you're covering a larger area. The grass collection bag can also be a bit tricky to attach, but the strong battery life and cutting power make up for these minor drawbacks. While the Echo is our pick for the best self-propelled option, it appears later on this list. The Ego features the convenience of a self-propelled unit plus all the advanced features we listed above, while weighing half as much. Number 4. American Lawn Mower Company Corded Mower. If you want a reliable electric mower without the high price tag, this model offers impressive performance at a fraction of the cost of many competitors. The American Lawn Mower 120V 14-inch corded electric lawn mower runs on a plug-in power source, so you never have to worry about battery life or gas refills. Plus, it's the slimmest, most lightweight model on this list, and without a battery pack, there's no added weight. Its motor delivers steady power, making it a good fit for keeping up with routine lawn care. It also gives you more options than you'd expect at this price. You can adjust the cutting height for your lawn's length in 5 different ways and choose between mulching or bagging your clippings. The narrower cutting width means it might take a little longer to mow a larger space, but the adjustable handle also folds down for easy storage when you're done. Power source, electric, type, push, corded, weight, 20 pounds, cutting width, 14 inches, cutting height, 1 to 2.5 inches, cutting options, mulching, bagging, rear discharge, yard size, 1/4 acre. Number 5. Ego Power Plus T6 Lawn Tractor Kit. The EGO Power Plus T6 Lawn Tractor is an electric riding mower designed for homeowners who want the size and power of a gas model without the maintenance. It runs on rechargeable batteries instead of fuel, delivering enough strength, 21 horsepower, to handle a large yard of up to 1.5 acres with slopes up to 15 degrees, all without fumes, oil changes, or loud engine noise. The 42-inch cutting deck covers a lot of ground quickly, and you can adjust the blade height to match your lawn's needs. It also includes cruise control, an LCD display and LED headlights, plus a tow hitch for hauling small loads like yard waste or supplies. If you're used to gas mowers, switching to electric might take some adjusting. It needs to recharge after mowing, and gas models are still stronger overall. But for anyone who wants a quieter and lower maintenance alternative, this is one of the best riding lawn mowers available, thanks to its responsive steering and pedals, impressive cutting power and customizable settings. Power source, battery, type, riding, self-propelled, weight, 639 pounds, cutting width, 42 inches, cutting height, 1.5 to 4.5 inches, cutting options, mulching, bagging, side discharge, yard size, 1.5 acres. That's the list. Links to every mower right in the description. Like, share, subscribe, and comment which one you'd buy. See you next time.